Okay, hello there. Today we're going to start looking at volume of shapes. So last week we looked at 2D shapes and we were getting the area of them. So when they've got two dimensions like a length and a width, but now there's going to be a third dimension to make it a 3D shape. So it could be a length, a width, and a height. So before, if you had a rectangle as the 2D shape, to make it into a 3D shape, you'd add a height and that would become a cuboid. A square then would become a cube. There's various prisms we're going to be looking at, but we will slowly start with cuboids. Okay, so what is volume and how do we measure it? So volume is the measure of how much space there is inside a 3D object. For this example, it would be the amount of liquid that can fit into it. Okay, these are irregular shapes, but it is the same process of working out the amount of space that it takes up is the volume. So we will look at some cuboids. Okay, which of these three cuboids has the largest volume? Looking at it visually, it will obviously look like B, but you can investigate further. We need some measures, yes. You can count the cubes to begin with, and then some of you may have another method that you could use, but we will get to that by the end of the lesson, hopefully. Okay, so if you're counting the cubes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so you get the idea. And B, we're going to do the same thing. So you want to see how many of those 1 centimeter cubes will fit into each of these cuboids. Okay. And you will eventually see that B is the biggest. So you can work through this lesson in your own time, taking your time obviously to go through it. And then there will be some questions at the end of this. But we'll begin with a recap of area questions and a couple of volume questions. Okay.